What is happening, folks? This is Eli with ehtutorials, and today I actually want to show you how to generate one of these QR codes using Google Sheets. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. Now, I'm actually going to have the link so that you could actually have access to this sheet on the description of this video, but I've already pasted it on here, and all I have to do here is enter and go to this address. This is a QR code auto generator. It's a template that Google makes. So all you have to do is literally make a copy by pressing here. So once you do that, this document here is going to show up. On the left side over here, all you have to do is type in the address of where you want to go to. So I'm going to just type an easy address, something that shouldn't be too complicated. So we're going to type in http:// and type www. I cannot type today for some reason. You can do this in lower caps as well, but I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to do yahoo.com. I don't know, something like that, right? Then, literally you can go to the next thing and it'll show you like a little link in the bottom here. But I'm actually going to switch it over towards the phone now, and so that you can actually see it in live. So let me switch to that. I'm going to open the camera application so that I can show you how this stuff works. So now that I do that, I'm going to go right in here where the camera. And if you put the camera right there, I don't know if you see on the left side it says yahoo.com, but on the right side, if I put on to open the QR code, you can clearly see that I can actually go to that link. So all I gotta do is touch this here, and it'll open yahoo.com. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to do, and if you're looking to do something like this, it's pretty straightforward. If you're trying to do a bulk of QR codes, you're definitely welcome to do that, and it's pretty easy. The first thing that I would do is on the right side over here, copy this and then literally paste it onto each side of the right side to each one of these boxes, as you can see I'm doing here. Just copy and paste and copy and paste. I'm only going to do a few just to show you, but the first thing that I want to do is, let's just say that I do need to know exactly where these links are going. It's important for you to know. So make sure to use the brief description box here on the right side. It's very important. In this case, this is just a link to the Yahoo website, so you just type in yahoo.com. That'll remind you what that is. But we're going to also switch and I'm going to do, I don't know, let's do a different link. HTTP, I cannot type today, / and then let's just do Rockstar Games.com. So as you can see, I generated a new one. The next one, I'm going to do a different one, but make sure to always, like I said, use this link here. So just type in Rockstar Games, website. So you know that you're linking someone to that website, and if you ever need to find that code again, if you print it out and you need to paste it somewhere or put it in some type of billboard, this will help you do that as well. You'll know exactly where it's going. In this case, I'm going to do something different, which is obviously something that you guys probably didn't know that I was going to do, but I wanted you to see that you could do this if you had a very long link and you need someone to go to that link, or a few people to go to that specific link, or even just one person and you need to print it out. And let's just say you're trying to send this link here, the link to all this big search here, and you don't know how to do it, and you just copy this here. This will simplify the link. Copy the URL on top, go back to your document, and then all you really have to do is paste it here, and that'll generate it right away automatically. Make sure you're putting in the description. So in this case, it's just a QR code search on Google Images. That'll take you right there to that specific link, which is this search over here, as you can see. And then pretty much after this, that's all you really have to do, is just continue to add them there, and eventually you'll have all the ones. If you're assigning a specific link, I don't know, to a specific person, you can also just put their name. You can put the link, whatever, I don't know, I'm just gonna say specific person just to show you. Slash slash and then just www dot specific person .com and then it'll generate one there too when you hit enter. See? And you can also make it, like I said, you can make it bigger or smaller. If you need to make one bigger more specifically, it'll do that. And all the people have to do is use their cell phone and scan the little QR code, and it'll take them to the actual link. You can just press the little link in the bottom once you open your camera, and that pretty much should be it. It should be pretty easy to do. Make sure to like this video, share with your friends. If you have any questions or anything, comments, leave a comment below. And we hope to see you in the next video. Take care, folks.